So now it's been about 2 weeks, roughly, and we're going in to make sure the queen is producing the next generation. Alright, they're definitely active. Maybe the smoke alerted them. Oh, look at that. A lot of construction there. And there's something that looks like it has the consistency of honey on the honeycomb. Maybe that is honey.
Probably sugar water.
Okay. Alright, I'm just the cameraman. Don't come after me. Alright.
Nice and calm. There's a lot of bees.
There are a lot of
bees.
bees.
Can you see what's in there? This is not what we put in there.
Oh no, there's a whole lot more than we put in there, which is a good sign. So do you have to check all the frames?
I just make you remember about hive wanting to disappear on us. You know,
Swarm? Yeah.
We gotta.
Yeah, so we're going to have to add another super real soon because it looks like they're filling this out.
Today.
Yeah.
Oh, how beautiful. You won't believe what this looks like.
Oh, wow. Look at those guys. Hard at work.
Sorry, guy. Sorry. Sorry. My mistake.
There's a lot of them under there.
So I gotta put this back.
Well, where do we see the eggs? How do we know if we see eggs?
Would you agree there are more than there were when we started?
Yes,
there were eggs.
No, I know that, but I'm saying.
I just finished doing what I wanted.
Okay.
And check that.
Go ahead. Sorry.
I'm a little not used to this number of bees.
I agree.
You hear that sound?
That's a buzz and.
Yeah, look.
Oh.
How perfect they made them. They know what they're doing. We need to put another hive on.
Yep.
Because they've built out everything.
Yeah, there's not a whole lot of room left. And the guy that we met said they will swarm this time of year down here, so.
They're just starting on this one. They got nothing on this side yet.
Right.
So we're just catching them in time. Easy boys, easy girls, excuse me. Girls.
Yeah, that'll upset them more than anything.
The eggs would be in the middle. I'm going to have to go to the middle to get the eggs. I'm very uneasy right now.
with that large amount of construction is. Huh? Yeah.
With that large amount of bees flying around my legs.
Yeah.
Seeing this?
Yeah, that's beautiful. And there's dark stuff in some of the honeycombs, and I'm not sure what that is exactly, but
I didn't mean to push you guys. Sorry, girls. I'm gonna get to one of the first ones. You see?
yeah, we have definitely disturbed their day.
Well, they're calming down. Right? Coming down. Oh boy. Yeah, it's honey, for sure.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. See, now if you pull that out, is it going to break the honeycomb though?
It shouldn't. If it breaks, it shouldn't be where it is, because that's the whole idea of a Langstrom hive.
Okay.
So they don't.
The spacing,
But
okay.
originally we didn't space right on these first ones. Give me a second. Hey guys. Big Daddy. Heavy. That's why I can't get it out. It's still full of honey.
Well, yeah, it's got to be.
The others aren't full of honey.
Right.
The first ones I had. I think they're being pretty good.
They're being very good.
Then guys, work with me. Give me this one. This thing is
It's
heavy.
definitely attached to the other one next to it.
That's why it's so heavy. Okay.
So,
I think we're going to let it be. What do you think?
well, I don't know. What is that? I mean, I know you said the spacing was designed to prevent that.
Look how we did it. We didn't push it in. That shouldn't have been that way. Nothing we can do now. No. All right. We needed to stack them up. That one's wrong. The rest of them are right. Okay?
Because we left the space there. Okay, I
I
see.
think that's enough.
How many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
10.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, but we just left too much space. Okay.
Why don't I go get a... What do we got in sugar water? Nothing.
Nada. But they're drinking out of that one, so that's all right, right?
Yeah, we can come back at night.